Guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is Kingsley, Specspace IQ. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how you can be able to get a free domain name, right? Yes, I know, right? Yeah, it is possible for you to get a free domain name, and of course, use the domain name to create a website, use the domain name to verify within Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. Yeah, it's very possible. Okay, so let's just deep dive into it. So I would like you to go to this website called freehostia.com. Okay, so when you get to this website, all you just need to do is to click on sign up now for free. Okay, all right, so under the sign up now for free, you click on the plans, make sure that it's set to chocolate, right? So that's the plan. So just click on chocolate and then you type in the domain name. So apparently I want to use this domain called speccob.com. I don't know what that means. Don't ask me. All right. So I'm just using this domain as a sample. Okay. You can always put in your own domain depending on the kind of business you want to set up. Okay. So once you're done, you just click on continue. Okay. So it's going to load and it's going to bring up this portal or this dashboard where it's telling you to fill up your information. Okay, so at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video so I can be able to fill up this information, and then once I'm done filling up, we can now proceed to the next step. Okay, so just I'm going to pause the video real quickly and then come back again. Okay, so I'm done filling up the information, and then what I'm going to click on next, I'll just click on the checkbox, says agree and continue, and I'm not a robot. Okay, and then I'll click on continue. Remember, it's showing $0.00, right? So yes, I'm clicking on it, and then it's redirecting me to payment. So all I just need to do here is to put in my desired password. Okay, and then I'm going to click on set password. All right, so once I click on set password, yeah, my password has been set. Okay, we just wait for it, and then yeah, boom, we have our login dashboard. Okay, so from here we can click on your contact details, every other information that you want, and you can also click on your wallet to be able to see any further information you would like. Okay, so this is going to help you. And then the next thing we're going to do is it's telling us that we need to verify the email address that is linked to this dashboard, right? So so we just click here, and then this is the email specspace.iq.com, which happens to be the company name, right, or the brand name. And then all I just need to do is to get to the part where it tells you that, hey, you need to verify your domain, or you need to verify the ownership of this email, right? And then I'm going to just click resend verification email. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for it to drop, and then here it is. The email verification is here, and then I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to load, and it says the email address in your contact details has been verified. Okay, so yeah, so now what I just need to do is it's going to tell me I have just one hosted domain, right? I'll just click on it from the left hand side, and then I'll scroll further down, and then I can see my domain name. Okay, so that is how you can be able to get a new domain for free. And of course, there are other websites at which you can be able to purchase new domains or free domains. And I'm going to be putting them in the description link on my YouTube channel. So all you just need to do is to feel free to visit those websites, or if you want me to do any other video regarding other free domains as well, please let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, hit the like button if you feel this video was very informative to you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and of course looking forward to other videos. Thank you very much, and bye.